We're making a rich and decadent chocolate cake with cottage cheese and cherries. It's soft, moist, and absolutely irresistible. Let's start with the cottage cheese layer. Blend cottage cheese, egg, and sugar until smooth and creamy. Now for the chocolate batter. Whisk eggs, sugar, and a pinch of salt until light and fluffy. Add melted butter, then sift in flour, cocoa, and baking powder. Mix gently until smooth. Grease a 22-centimeter baking pan and start layering. Chocolate batter first, then cottage cheese, then cherries. Repeat the layers and finish with a chocolate top layer. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 45 to 55 minutes. Check with a toothpick, it should come out clean. Let the cake cool and set before slicing. Look at those perfect layers. Soft chocolate, creamy filling, and juicy cherries. You have to try this recipe. It's pure comfort in every bite.